Have you ever wondered if affiliate marketing can make money? Well, you're not alone. In today's digital age, affiliate marketing has become a lucrative opportunity for many savvy individuals looking to monetize their online presence. Hi, I'm Unicorn.in, and in this video, I'm going to dive deep into the world of affiliate marketing and answer the burning question: can affiliate marketing really make money? Spoiler alert, the answer is a resounding yes. Cut to a montage of successful affiliate marketers showcasing their lavish lifestyles. Affiliate marketing is a powerful business model that allows you to earn passive income by promoting other companies' products or services. With the right strategy and dedication, you can turn your online platform into a money-making machine. Cut to a whiteboard animation explaining the basics of affiliate marketing. First, let's break down how affiliate marketing works. You sign up for an affiliate program, receive a unique tracking link, and then promote that link to your audience. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Cut to testimonials of real people sharing their success stories with affiliate marketing. But don't just take my word for it. Countless individuals have found success with affiliate marketing, turning their passion into profit and living life on their own terms. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with dedication and the right strategies, the sky's the limit. Cut to a montage of different ways to promote affiliate links, such as social media, email marketing, and content creation. So, how can you start making money with affiliate marketing? By leveraging your unique voice, creating valuable content, and building trust with your audience. Remember, authenticity is key in the world of affiliate marketing. Cut to a call to action screen with engaging visuals. Ready to take your first step into the world of affiliate marketing? Don't wait any longer. Start exploring affiliate programs, creating compelling content, and watch as the money starts rolling in. The time is now to turn your dreams into reality with affiliate marketing. Closing shot of the city skyline at sunset with the music fading out. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover the incredible potential of affiliate marketing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights and tips on how to make money online. See you in the next video. Cut to black screen with the words, "Can affiliate marketing make money?" Yes, it can, in bold letters. Buy course link in home description. See you in next video.